Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Ellaby. I'm the Chief Scientist here at Reviewed, and today we'll be reviewing the Tuft Needle Original Mattress. So the Tuft Needle Original has a pretty simple foam construction with two layers. The top layer is a graphite-infused open-cell foam with a cooling gel, so that's designed to keep you cool. And the bottom layer is a denser, supportive foam that offers support while you're sleeping. There's also a breathable cover that's soft to the touch that also helps keep you cool. The mattress comes in twin XL, full, queen, king, and California king sizes. We tested the queen, which has an MSRP around $1,000. Like most mattresses in a box, it comes with a 100-day trial period, so you can try it out for an extended period, and there's also a 10-year limited warranty, so they'll replace the mattress if it develops any major defects. So we run a number of tests in the lab to measure how good the mattress is at supporting your body and also keeping you cool. One of the most important of these is the edge support test. We use a 150-pound boxing bag to simulate the weight of someone lying in the bed. We balance that on the edge of the mattress to see how far it can overhang before it rolls off. This gives you a good measure of edge support. We also measure force transfer. So this is how much someone who's sleeping in the bed would be disturbed by someone else moving around. To do that, we use the same 150-pound boxing bag, but this time we drop it onto one side of the bed whilst we measure force transfer to the other side. Another important thing we measure is cooling performance. We do that using heated silicone gel pads. We place those on the surface of the mattress with temperature recorders, and we measure how quickly they cool down and transfer heat away from your body and through the mattress. So here's what we like about the Tuft Needle mattress. It'll keep you cool at night. So when we place a warm silicone pad on the surface of the mattress and measure its temperature over time, it's very good at transferring heat through the mattress and away from your body. It offers excellent motion isolation. When we drop a 150-pound boxing bag onto one side of the bed, hardly any force is transferred to our force meter on the other half of the bed. We also like that it's affordable, with its MSRP of about $1,000 for a queen-size mattress. At $1,000 for a queen-size mattress, it's a good value. Some of the other mattresses in the box that we test cost at least twice that much. Here's what we don't like about it. One thing that isn't great is the edge support. We measure this by placing that 150-pound boxing bag on the edge of the mattress and measuring how easily it rolls off the bed. That's somewhere where this particular foam mattress doesn't offer you a great deal of support. Most foam mattresses don't have great edge support because they lack the supporting springs that you get in a hybrid mattress. So the lack of edge support isn't really a deal breaker unless you really like sleeping near the edge of the bed. Overall, the pros are it will keep you cool at night, it offers excellent motion isolation, and it's affordable. Well, the only con we really had was that edge support could be better. So should you buy the Tuft Needle Original? Yes, you should. We tested it a couple of years ago. It performed great. We retested more recently. It's still a top performer. And it's so great we named it our best foam mattress for its cooling performance and its motion isolation. For the full review, head to review.com, and thanks for watching.